Which one's coming? Oh, this one? Okay, well, you're shut. Wonder what these were. Okay, monitor TR. Hurry up.
Give me that one.
Yeah, I see it. Oh, it's coming. Does that work?
Yeah, this one looks good.
I guess it doesn't. Lantern does not work. Okay, let's see. Got TR here. Where's the bottom? This is Hotel Beacon, New York City. Ooh, interesting door. Well, let's see how high we'll get to go. And looks like we're going all the way up. Alright, here we go. Get a different one. I like these elevators actually. Send you down a 2 or something. Let me. There's one up there. We'll just go down one floor. Take a look at a guest floor, and then we'll get a different one if we can. Who knows what these were? Huh. Just GAL equipment. I'll just get my phone out right here or something. Cool button. It's just TR, but you know. It's something. I wonder if that one works. Get some pictures for Ethan. The other one might be here. This one might be a service. I don't know. Oh, this one does work. Interesting way the lights on these light up. It's like a ring of LEDs. That's really interesting. There's an Apollo detector, I guess. I'm not a child. Hopefully we're getting the middle one. I wonder what these were. These definitely look more original than usually. Oh, I think we're getting the left one. No, we're getting this one. I don't know if the left one even works. It might be decommit. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay, we'll take this one. This one has a... Oh. We'll do the full ride down. STR. Oh, L is locked on this one. Hold on. No, it's going somewhere, I think. Alright, whatever. Okay, let's take a look at the cabs. These are very nice. I'm not gonna lie, I really like the cabs on these. I like this indicator too, where it has the Hotel Beacon logo on them. They are really bouncy, actually. Of course, you got your monitor TR fixtures. And I'm gonna get out of here because I have to go back to the restaurant I was just at. I'll end here. That's it. Oh, this is 4. Does that work? Signal does not work. There's Poppins. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, let's take a look at this elevator lobby. There it goes. And that's it.